Jamaican Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce delivered a wonderful performance at the Wonder Paris Diamond League, clocking a time of 10.67 seconds to take first place in the 100 meter. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce still continued to shine bright for the world to see after she competed in the 100 meter Paris Wonder Diamond League yesterday and delivering a stellar timing in what people are saying is one of the fastest time in the 100 meter. So four-time world 100 meter champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has sent a message to the would-be challengers at this weekend's senior championship with a dominant performance at the Diamond League meeting in Paris. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce poured to victory at a time of 10.67 seconds, equaling the world leading time she set back in May in Kenya, setting a new meet record in the process. Fraser-Pryce countrywoman double sprint Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Yera had the previous record of 10.72 seconds which she set last August. The Diamond League annual meeting in France took place on Saturday night, which saw a handful of impressive performances on the track, including world-leading champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. The Jamaican 100 meter champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce kept fans awaiting but impressed as she equaled the season's world-leading time of 10.67 seconds with a blasting run to the final sprint race of the day. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce sent out a warning to the sprint rivals ahead of next month's championship as she blasted to an emphatic win in the 100 meter at the Paris meeting on Saturday. So Shelly-Ann Fraser has been doing her thing, and I can tell that she has run spectacularly well in this race, moving ahead of the pack, and I can tell you that this race was watched by many right across the world, and this was such a wonderful performance from the Jamaican sprinter who still continue to dominate the 100 meter and also the 200 meter as well. She's one of those real good athletes that have excelled immensely in her craft and continue to wave the flag of Jamaica high. This is where I believe I'm going to leave this though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.